Hello guys, this is Ivan and I am presenting something fresh, new. You know, from yesterday we presented trend arrow system, not repainted arrows, but today we made two additional things. First of all, I was asked from one of my best customers to make a version for M5, specialized version for M5, and for gold especially, and for main pairs, but it works on all assets. So, after a long night of coding, testing, three of us, we made a fantastic system, Trend Arrow M5, with included wind tracker inside. So you already know what is your best expiration time to trade. 1 candle, 3 candles, 5, 10, 20, or any you enter. You see win rate, you see number of pips. Net pips, it means minus spread, commissions, everything. So this is if you trade manually. But you can maybe don't have time to wait here waiting for arrow. So this is guys system, 1 arrow, entry on the next candle. You don't need to do anything else. Just wait for arrow. When you see it, enter at the open of the next candle. But what if you open, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 pairs, maybe you don't have time to let's say to wait for arrows to be open. Then we have Trend Arrow Expert Advisor. So I adapt it to here. So you see I put expiry 5 candles because here is 71%. But I see that on 10 candles expiry it is even better. So just for example, let's change it. You can put any number of expiry. I will put 10 candles. Stop loss, you can put any to protect you, 20 pips. It is 5-minute time frame, 20 pips should be okay maybe. And you have other things like session filters, lot size, and function close if opposite arrow fires. So this is very important. You see now it is 10 candles. You see, if we don't have these 10 candles, or if the red opposite arrow will come before, it will close the trade after the opposite arrow. You see? So if you keep it, you can keep it like this, from this to this only. You see, it is 94 candles even, but the profit is high. So always use this. 10 candles we could put maybe even 20 or any. You see, it seems 20 candles is here already. I think that 10 or something like that is optimum, 10 candles. So this is a really very specialized option only for M5. So you cannot use it for any other, but I am planning to make also edition for other time frames. So this is more for you which trade small low time frames. So this is a new product. Just a second, guys. So today also I got just information. My guys are working on special version also for other time frames. It will be kind of universal version for from M1 to monthly. But this is specially made first one for M5, as I was requested from one of my subscriber, best top customer, and that I was really, guys, it is here in now close to 10 in the morning. I'm here almost whole night and I'm very satisfied. So this trend Arow system for M5 has inbuilt special min tracker inside, because it is always the best option when you inbuilt this in the code, not add separately. So this is another advantage, because it is much more accurate and quicker information. And so this is how you would trade. You see here, for example, you see here expiry 5 candles, 88%, expiry 5. You can change to any US 30, so you can trade all assets, or GBP USD. This is a good example. It cannot be all in green, but you see here that on 5 candles it is not good expiry. And you can change it in Expert Advisor to a positive. Let's see, let's put 20 just for, so this is it. Now it is a 20, then we expect some profit. Guys, it is 5-minute time frame. I prefer for Forex to use higher time frame, but there are people which like to trade with lower time frame. You see, this is Euro USD on 20 and 10 candles. You are in positive. Also, this what you have here tracker is good if you trade binary options, because in binary, let's say that you trade binary here, you see that 3 candles expiry or 4 or 5 would be good for you, and you trade like this according to statistic. This is tracking history performance, live, real, what happened in history, not what we suppose that we need. This is real. So, what to say more, guys? Yes, today, if you want a special price for both of them, I think that this is not. Let's check if my admin put it on web. I don't think so, but just a second. No, it is not here still. It will be until the end of the day maybe, but nevertheless, if you follow my YouTube, you will know everything. So here, special promo price, because if you want only indicator, so no Expert Advisor. Let's put it like that. You remove Expert Advisor. You will get only this. A regular price, 169. And if you want only trend arrow with wind tracker, today 69. not all day today, first 5 people. But, for example, if you want only expert advisor, it is $269. So EA $269, Indie $169. Both, so this would be, if you buy only this, 69. If you buy only this, 79. This is a special prices. And if you buy both, 99. And this is a minimum of minimum what I can make for you guys. You see, if you regularly would buy it, it is 458 euros. So this is 80% discount. So either 1 or 2 or second one, so indicator, EA or both. Please don't come as after. Also, you will, if you buy this later until the end of day or maybe earlier, 3-4 hours, you will get also, when you see it on YouTube, just contact me, you will get also universal version, maybe for, not maybe, but for sure, for other time frames. And this. But for now, this is first specialized M5 version with wind tracker inside. So practically you get 3 products, because this wind tracker is costing 299 euro. You will see it in a web page also. So contact me on the email below. See you later. Bye bye.